Good morning. Hi team Fullest. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is again Amy Fullest. Welcome to my canal. So today I want to come and show you guys a hot oil treatment that I do these days. So for today's oil, I'm going to be using coconut oil. This is a coconut oil I use. It's very hot right now. We are in the summer in Holland, so the coconut oil is kind of hot right now. It's kind of melted hot. It's melted. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this coconut oil in this container, and then I'm going to boil hot water. I'm going to put the coconut oil in the hot water so that it gets hot a little bit, and I'm going to use that to massage my hair and then wrap my hair for maybe in half an hour, 30 minutes, and then whilst my hair is wrapping, leave it for 30 minutes. I'm going to use that time in between to do a quick skincare routine, because I have been trying this treatment for my skin, which I think is working. So I want to share that. I want to keep on doing that. But first, what we're going to do, I really like this container. I pick it up from AliExpress, which it is very, very easy, because you just put the product into your hair like this, and the product just actually touch your scalp. You massage it. As you guys can see, I've relaxed my hair and I did a sleek bun, and this is what it has been turning into. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take water. This is herbs. I don't know how to explain, guys, but sometimes I do mix different herbs and I soak it in a bottle. I do have one downstairs that I'm also soaking right now, and when it gets, I think, a week or something, I take the water, I put it into this container, and I use that for my hair and my kids' hair. And I've been doing this now for, I think, a couple of months now, and I've really seen my hair really strong, really shiny, especially my daughter's hair. Her hair is very strong, shiny, and I don't know why. I have all these herbs because I normally drink herbs tea. I don't really buy the tea bag from the store. So I thought, you know what, there's nothing wrong, give it a try. And if it works, why not? They're all natural stuff, and it has been really working. So that is what I have in here. I have a little bit remained, and I'm going to use that to like kind of wet my hair a little bit. Not wet my hair, just to like get some of the gel out of my hair, even though I didn't put that much of the gel, but I don't. Yeah, as you guys can see, I don't get everything, but yeah, trying to get it. Sometimes what I do also, I kind of soak my hand with water and I just like play it, because now I want to do like hot oil treatment. That's why normally I'll just, if I want to wash my hair after putting gel in it, I'll just take a conditioner and I will just put the conditioner into my hair, and that will help me to get all the gel out. I don't always use shampoo on my hair because shampoo kind of somehow dry up my hair scalp, and I don't really like it. So yeah, this is what my relaxed hair is looking like. So you guys can see it's easily sleek back, very easy because it's so soft, so relaxed. So now we're just gonna leave the hair like this. I'm gonna see if I can get a wild tooth comb. Nothing, just very big comb. Trying to comb everything out. And I've been noticing, since I've been using this herbs thing on my hair has been very strong and very shiny, and I really like it. I first started using it on my daughter's hair because she had like, the hair was very dull, and I thought, you know what, let me just use some herbs and see how it works. And I see the hair becomes very shiny, very healthy. So I thought, you know what, why can't I just try it on my own hair? So yeah, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this container and I'm going to take my oil, which is already melted. I'm going to pour some of the oil in this container. You guys know my hair is not that long, so I don't need a lot of oil like this much. I'm just going to put that there. And I always do this in the morning because leave it and then take a shower. And also when I'm about to take a shower, I don't put shampoo. I don't wash it with shampoo. I use conditioner. I use conditioner to just rinse it off. So now what I'm going to take a cup of hot water, and I'm gonna put this one in there. Guys, I have my hot water with my coconut oil in there warming up. No, I don't want the coconut oil to get way too hot, just a little bit hot, so that it can help the blood to flow. And I'm also going to massage it. I also want to pick up, I also went to the store and pick up some products which I'm going to come and share with you guys quickly. I also went and pick up this hair mousse I picked up. Now these days I do a lot of slick back, and I want to try this finger curly thing, so I went and pick a hair mousse. And I also want to pick up this hair oil. If you guys have been following me for a very long time, I've been picking a lot of this hair oil for a very long time. I like using it with to make deep conditioner. I like using it to moisturize to oil my scalp, do a lot of stuff with it. So I went and picked this up, and I also went and pick up a pure black castor oil. Not black castor oil, but like castor oil. Black castor oil always in my head, but this is a pure castor oil. I picked this up actually for my hair, but also for my eyebrow and my lashes. I do use it to kind of grow my eyebrow and strengthen my lashes, just because I don't really fix fake lashes. My eye is very, very sensitive, so I can't put any glue or anything on my eyes to fix fake lashes. So even though sometimes I do, but it's very irritating, so that's why I pick up this castor oil. So these are the 3 new products that I have right now, and this is mostly for like do a slick back or do natural or like a hairstyle with this TWA. So just show you guys all of that. I think that is good. So now I think the oil is okay, it's way too hot. Okay, now it's too hot. It's way too hot, so I'm gonna throw this water away because I don't want it to accidentally fall on anyone here, especially me, because I'm not in the mood for that. So it's still hot. It is still hot. Let me just open it and feel it on my hands here. I'm kind of scared even. Yeah, put it on my. Yeah, it's hot. Ooh, it's hot. It's still hot. The water was like cooked, boiled hot water. Because this part of, if it's hot for this part of my skin, then it's definitely hot for my scalp, and I'm not going to be risking that. So I'm just going to wait a few more minutes for it to cool down a little bit more, and then I'm going to use that on my head, massage it, and then leave it, and then go ahead and do my skin, my face care, and then come back and wash my hair, show you guys the finished result. Coconut oil is very, very good. I know a lot of people have allergic problem when it comes to coconut oil. A lot of people cannot use coconut oil, but I don't have any issue with using coconut oil. It's very good for the hair. It helps strengthen your hair. It helps promote hair growth. It helps stimulate hair growth, especially when you put it into your head and massage your head. Good. It helps stimulate hair growth. So we're gonna leave it to cool down, and I'll be back, guys. So the oil has cooled down a little bit, so now I'm going to take the oil and put it on my scalp. Ooh, try to massage it immediately. As you guys can see, So yeah, you guys can see you put everything into the hair. Yeah, and now it's time to massage. You're gonna have some oil running out, but it's okay. So you guys can see my scalp is soaked with oil. Just like to massage it. Those oils that are coming out. And also what I like to do is I take a brush like this, I kind of bend my hair down and I just like brush it like this. As you guys can see, I have no hair fall, nothing. So now that we've done that, I'm just going to take a plastic wrap. The oil is coming out. Wrap that. I'm going to take a shower cap. Wrap that. This bottle, I'm going to rinse it out later on. And now I'm just going to leave it for a couple of minutes, maybe half an hour. I'm going to leave it whilst I'm going to do the rest of my morning routine. I'm going to wash my face, brush my teeth, take a shower, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished result. So please stay tuned for the finished result. What's up? So guys, this is the finished result. As you guys can see, my hair is feeling very soft, very shiny. I still have a little bit of the coconut oil in my hair because I use this conditioner. It was almost finished, so I used the little one that remains. That's what I use to rinse out all the excess oil, but I still do have some pretty a little bit in there, and you guys can see my hair is shiny, my hair is looking good. I think my hair feels very soft. So this is how you can do a coconut oil hot treatment for your hair at home. Very simple. I'm going to be trying this more often with different oil. I'm also going to be using this castor oil that I bought to do a hot oil treatment for my natural hair. But for now, I love how the hair is looking good. I'm going to see if I can do a quick slick back and get out of the house because your girl is going for driving. Yes. So yeah, tell me if you guys like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. Peace out. This is again Amy Fullest.